Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to get a cow head on Roblox for free. So first of all you have to go to this marketplace, and now in the marketplace now you have to go to an head. Now you have to click on this option filter, click on it. Now you have to go to this option, scroll down, and now you have to click on this recently created, click on apply. Now click on head. Now you have to again go to filter and click on recently created. Now again go to here, and you will see is a cow head. Yeah, you can see this, the kawaii cow head. Click on it. This is a new one, new bundle that has been released by the Roblox. As you can see, this is how it looks. And if you remove the hair, it will give you a right, and it will give you a desired look. So let's remove the hair. First of all, to make sure if you want to get it, you have to, let me go back to head. Once you get this item, once you get this guys cow bundle, now you just need to go to and customize. Now go to head and body, go to style, and click on this cow head. It is right now for free, but it may go on sale anytime soon. Now you can remove the hair, so it will give us our desired look. So let me remove the hair. Now as you can see, it gives you a very cute look with a cute mouth and face bundle. So yeah, that's how it looks. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.